This Denver omelet recipe uses keto diet guidelines to make an already delicious morning dish even nicer. Smooth, fluffy eggs are combined with heavy whipping cream, shredded cheese, onions, bell peppers, and last but not less important, the smoked ham, to create an omelet that is brimming with flavor and nutrients. Serve this hearty dish during breakfast, brunch, or lunch for a meal that is sure to please the palate. The egg serves as the dish's base, as it does in many keto-friendly meals. Eggs are a mainstay of many diets because they are high in protein. Also, they provide good fats, iron, vitamins, minerals, and carotenoids while being relatively low in calories. Additionally, they include powerful anti-disease elements like lutein and zeaxanthin, making them the ideal breakfast food. Although we advise slicing up some onions, bell pepper, and smoked ham for your omelet. The beauty of this breakfast option is that it is incredibly adaptable. Because you can replace out, add, or remove items to fit your tastes and your dietary restrictions, the outcome will still be great. Reheated versions of the Denver omelet are also fantastic for lunch the following day. Two large eggs. 1/4 cup heavy whipping cream. Pepper and salt as desired. 1 ounce of shredded cheddar cheese. 1 spoonful of butter. Chopped finely 1/4 of a medium yellow onion. Coarsely chopped, 1/4 of a medium green bell pepper. Deli sliced, diced 2 ounces of Black Forest ham. Step 1. All the ingredients should be measured out and ready. Eggs and heavy whipping cream should be fluffily whisked together in a bowl. Step 2. Add half of the cheddar cheese that has already been shredded, and season with salt and pepper. Step 3. Melt the butter in a frying pan over medium heat. Then add the pepper, onion, and cubed ham then for 1 to 2 minutes and let it cook. Step 4. The frying pan will now contain the cheese-egg combination. Then allow to cook until almost firm. Step 5. Add the remaining cheese after reducing the heat to low. Step 6. Half fold the omelet. Step 7. Enjoy after serving. One dish of keto Denver omelet results from this. 503 calories, 39 grams fat, 6.1 grams net carbohydrates, 31.9 grams protein total for each serving.